Hi, do you know the Coolie movie which was done by Rajnikant? Who is he? Did you know? He was just a normal, below average person who was born in the Maharashtra as Shivaji Gaikwad, and he did a very odd jobs. While he is at the age of 9 years, he lost his mother. Then he went and worked as a daily wages so called coolie. Now he became a superstar, and you could see that that movie has cracked lots of the crores of amount. So that is called the vision or the dream through which his manifestations came true. And once he want to commit the suicide, at that time no one are there for him to help. Then he got an opportunity as a bus conductor. Then he started his job as a bus conductor. Then slowly while going, he is having a passion towards the movie industry. Then once he went for the dubbing, and he went for the artist. Then Balachandran is one of the famous director. He observed, and Bharati Raja they observed. Then they have given him a chance as a negative role and a side roles. He started his career without anyone, and now at the age of 74 we could see him. He is a not only Tamil, even in the Japan, even in the other places of the India, he is a superstar. You can imagine, by saying the movie so called as Coolie, he worked as a coolie. Now he is a god for many of the people. So from this we need to understand that the determination and consistency and the discipline will make them the success. Learn from his life history, the live person. Through him we can understand many things. So try to see that type of the personality so that you are going to get benefit through the society. Thank you.